Guys, if you're struggling with erectile dysfunction, chances are it's been weighing on you for far too long. Your confidence in the bedroom has taken a hit and it feels like there is no way out. But today, we are going to change that. I'm Eric, doctor of physical therapy, and I have helped hundreds of men just like you regain control, conquer performance anxiety, and get reliable, rock-hard erections. Now in this video, I will reveal the best supplement stack to tackle mild to moderate erectile dysfunction, meaning you can take all 3 supplements at the same time for the best results. Also, stick around to the end of the video where I will share the 2 biggest mistakes that 99% of men make when trying to overcome their erectile dysfunction, resulting in this problem lasting for months, if not years. And as always, remember this is not medical advice, so always consult your doctor and always do your own research. Without further ado, supplement number 1. Guys, have you ever felt like your body isn't performing the way it used to? It's not stress or age. Often, low testosterone plays a bigger role than we think, affecting everything from your energy to your intimacy. Now, when testosterone drops, so does your confidence, your drive, and stress only makes this worse by increasing your cortisol, the hormone that blocks your body's recovery. But there's a natural solution. Tongkat Ali, a powerful root extract trusted for centuries, has been shown to boost testosterone and reduce cortisol levels, restoring your energy, your confidence, and your sexual performance. Now, with science to back it, Tongkat Ali offers a natural way to regain control of your body and feel like yourself again. Yes, it is best to go and get your testosterone levels checked to see what your baseline testosterone levels are, both total and free-floating testosterone. But for most guys over 40, your test levels are likely on a slight decline naturally. Now, research suggests that Tongkat Ali may help men with low testosterone levels, a common cause of erectile dysfunction. Studies have shown it can increase testosterone, which may lead to improvements in libido, erectile function, and overall sexual well-being. Now, in men with low testosterone, supplementation with 200 to 300 milligrams of Tongkat Ali taken daily in the morning over 1 to 3 months has been associated with enhanced testosterone levels, improved sperm quality, and better reproductive health. Now, Tongkat Ali also seems to reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, which may help alleviate anxiety-related erectile dysfunction by improving overall stress management. Now, the potential side effects include mild restlessness, insomnia, and irritability, especially at higher doses. So please let me remind you that the supplement industry, it's largely unregulated. More research needs to be done, but so far, the research is looking pretty promising for Tongkat Ali. All right, moving on to supplement number 2 of 3 in the best stack for overcoming mild to moderate erectile dysfunction. All right, I want you to imagine that you are trying to drive a car with the engine light flashing. You push harder on the gas, but the car just doesn't respond the way that it used to. Well, that's what's happening to your body when you're tired, stressed, fatigued, and overwhelmed. You can go through the motions, but your energy's low and things just don't seem to click anymore, especially when it comes to your performance in the bedroom. Guys, this isn't just about feeling run down. Sleep affects every part of your health, including your ability to maintain a healthy sex life. So when you're not getting enough rest, your body produces more cortisol, the stress hormone, and that increase can lead to lower testosterone and worsened erectile dysfunction. But there's a relatively simple fix for this, one that allows your body to reset naturally. Melatonin. Melatonin is your body's sleep hormone, guiding you into restful, restorative sleep. Taking melatonin supplements can help you get that sleep that you need to balance cortisol and testosterone, setting the stage for better energy and much better intimacy. A nightly dose of 1 to 3 milligrams of melatonin about 30 minutes before bed can help you establish healthier sleep patterns, reduce stress levels, and improve your overall well-being. However, moderation is key. You see, too much melatonin or long-term use can lead to grogginess or disrupt your sleep cycle. So it's very important to consult a healthcare professional to find the right dose for you. Now, there has been studies to suggest that melatonin use over the long term can be harmful, but more research is needed in that space. If it were up to me, I would take this to get my sleep routine back on track until I didn't need it anymore. So I would take the Tongkat Ali in the morning and the melatonin at night to limit the interference between the two supplements. And when it comes to sleep, it's not just about taking melatonin. You've got to create the perfect environment for your body to really rest. I used to struggle with staying asleep even when I was doing all the right things. That's where today's sponsor, Manta Sleep, came. Their sound mask has been an absolute game changer for me. It doesn't just block out 100% of the light, it has slim profile built-in speakers to connect to your phone via Bluetooth. So here's what I do. I go into bed, I set my alarm, and then I put my phone on silent, and then I play white noise or a meditation track through the mask's speakers. It's like I've built a sleep cocoon. Since I started using this, my sleep quality has skyrocketed. I love it so much that my wife stole mine, so I had to get another one. Seriously, if you are committed to improving your sleep, Manta Sleep has a full range of sleep masks that are a must try. So please go on, click my link in the description, use my code LECKY for 10% off. Trust me, you will thank me later. All right, moving on to supplement number 3. Imagine your blood vessels as highways. When traffic is smooth, everything flows easily and gets where it needs to be. But if there's a traffic jam, things slow down or even come to a complete stop. Now, think of erectile dysfunction as one of those traffic jams. Your body needs good blood flow to get an erection. But when the highways are clogged or narrow, it just doesn't happen like it should. This is where L-Citrulline steps in. It's like a road crew that helps clear those highways and make traffic flow smoothly again. L-Citrulline is an amino acid that your body converts into another amino acid called L-Arginine, which then produces nitric oxide. Nitric oxide acts like a signal that tells your blood vessels to relax and widen, allowing for better blood flow moving through them. This improved circulation is crucial for erectile function because it ensures that blood can reach and stay in the penis during arousal. Now, studies have shown that L-citrulline can be particularly helpful for men with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction by boosting nitric oxide production naturally, improving the quality and duration of your erections. So why choose L-citrulline over L-Arganine? While both amino acids can enhance nitric oxide production, L-citrulline has a higher bioavailability. This simply means that after metabolism, it leads to a greater concentration of L-arginine in the bloodstream than taking L-arginine directly. Research also indicates that L-citrulline effectively raises plasma L-arginine levels for a longer duration, making it more effective for supporting blood flow and overall vascular health. So when it comes to dosage, research suggests taking 3 grams of L-citrulline daily to be effective for enhancing blood flow and helping you improve your erectile dysfunction. It's generally considered safe, but in high doses, it may cause stomach discomfort or a few other minor side effects. Also, because it impacts blood pressure, it is very important to consult with a healthcare provider, especially if you are on medications for heart conditions or to help regulate your blood pressure. All right, so we have covered the power of Tongkat Ali, melatonin, and L-citrulline as the ultimate supplement stack for tackling erectile dysfunction. But hold on, before you rush off to try those supplements, we need to address 2 critical mistakes that 99% of men make when dealing with erectile dysfunction. All right, mistake number 1, ignoring your stress levels. Now you might think that you are calm and relaxed while watching this video, but your body could be sending out signals and alarm bells without you even realizing it. Psychological stress is one thing, but physiological stress is a whole different beast. For instance, if we could peek at your heart rate right now, it might tell us a different story. If you are struggling with erectile dysfunction, chances are stress is lurking in the shadows, sabotaging your confidence and performance in the bedroom. You've got to tackle this head on to reclaim your erections and your self-assurance. And then mistake number 2, following generic advice that doesn't take your unique situation into account. Yes, the supplements that we just went over are going to help, but if you're also not integrating the perfect amount of aerobic and strength training, Kegel exercises, a pre-sex routine, and pelvic floor relaxation, you're only scratching the surface. Guys, I bet you are feeling stuck right now, and that is completely normal. This is what I want you to do. I would like you to book in for a free 15-minute call with me over Zoom so that we can dive into your unique circumstances together. This isn't just another generic consultation. I will assess your specific needs and determine if you are a good fit for either my 1-hour consultation or my one-on-one coaching program. Together, we will create a customized plan to help you overcome performance anxiety and achieve rock-hard erections. Now, I'm a one-man team, so you will get personal, hands-on support from me. These 15-minute calls are completely free, and it could be the best decision you ever make. Imagine having a clear path to overcoming your erectile dysfunction in just a few months instead of continuing to struggle for years and years. Trust me, I have helped hundreds of guys just like you. So do not wait. I want you to book in for that free 15-minute Zoom call, and you can find the link to book in both the pinned comment and in the video description below. If you've enjoyed my videos, you are going to love my personalized advice even more. What do you have to lose? I'm excited to meet you and help you take this very important step. Now, a huge thank you to Mantis Sleep for continuing to support our channel. And remember, regardless of how tough things might seem right now, you need to keep going, and I'll see you in the next video.